West Indies against India. However, Virat Kohli called right and elected to bat. The two teams unchanged for India, but the West Indies carry came in for Campbell, and Sunil Narine was moved to the top of the order. So India win the toss and choose to bat. Let's get to the action.
Will make their way to the middle. Magnificent career for Rohit Sharma, averaging in the early 30s over 96 matches. Good start for Rohit and India. A boundary off the first ball.
Rohit Sharma quick to seize on that.
Lovely wrists from Rohit Sharma, working it with the angle.
And for somebody in the kind of form that he's been in, Rohit Sharma, this really was an easy boundary. Nicely played, no effort.
Nice. It's the balance and the ease with which he plays these shots. He hit one for 6 yesterday that had more width on it. That was beautiful.
This is beautiful too. Just a little bit of room around the off stump, not too much, just a little bit, and that's enough. Quite deliberately playing up over the infield. Easy.
Crowd chanting Rohit already. And the hitman delivers. Stylishly played with a minimum of effort.
Wonderful to watch. Look at that, with a straight bat over mid-off.
Oh, that was easily dispatched. Sometimes you don't need any more invitation for someone like Rohit Sharma.
Having a look here, I think that's a juicy little full toss. And I think when you have someone like Rohit Sharma who feeds on such deliveries, and even better deliveries than that, just a little flick of the wrist.
Oh, you don't see that too often from Rohit Sharma, but he does pull it off.
Pulled away, and he finds the gap, and it's over the fence as well. Rohit Sharma, he makes batting look so easy. And gets a 50 as well. Well, no stopping this man. What an innings for India. Got 24 in that first T20 international, showing his class, his consistency, and putting India in control.
Especially with shots like this. 6 more to the Indian total. Rohit Sharma again, just getting the ball full, right in the slot, picks it up over the leg side bit. This will be 4 more over the offside this time. Doesn't matter where you hit it. If you're in form, it goes in the gaps.
And especially when you bowl full piece as well.
Oh, straight up in the air. Should be out. There's out. It's been a